Hanwha Vision is committed to transforming manufacturing operations with cutting-edge surveillance and monitoring solutions that protect both people and productivity. Hanwha is making a global impact. Hanwha Vision includes 5 subsidiaries and 11 branches worldwide, ready to support your mission wherever you are. Our mission in manufacturing goes beyond security. Hanwha Vision solutions help ensure workplace safety, proactively detect risks, and monitor equipment health, reducing costly downtime and enhancing overall productivity. Forklift incidents are a major safety concern in manufacturing. Our AI-powered smart factory solutions monitor forklift speeds and safe distances, alerting operators to potential hazards for a safer workplace. Perimeter security is essential for manufacturing facilities. Our advanced thermal cameras and AI-powered perimeter detection ensure round-the-clock protection, providing high-accuracy detection even in total darkness. Monitoring large manufacturing areas is easy with our multi-sensor and panoramic cameras. They cover wide spaces with fewer devices, cutting costs while delivering sharp, detailed images for full oversight. Hanwha Vision's VMS provides real-time monitoring from a single, intuitive command center. Integrated AI analytics reduce false alarms, optimize storage, and help security teams respond efficiently. The best partner for your video surveillance needs. Choose us and unlock your full potential. Hanwha Vision.